Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Home Depot seeds review. They shipped me this filter, this water filter for your kitchen sink. I mean, it could be used for a bar sink, I guess. This product is made by a company called Ruiling. Spell it R-U-I-L-I-N-G. Faucet filter. This is the number right here. You can see that. Okay, that's product number B07V28GKBL. Alright, so it came in a box like this. The box just says faucet mount filter. Okay, it doesn't really have the company name on it or anything. I had to look on the label, the shipping label. Again, it was Ruiling, R-U-I-L-I-N-G. So this is basically a filter that goes on your faucet for drinking water or for cooking. Okay, it comes, I opened the box, it had these two bags in it. The one bag has the adapter for the spigot. Okay, the other bag has a bag of fittings. These fittings are for different sink setups, because all the sinks are set up different. So if your adapter doesn't go right onto your faucet, because this one here it'll go right onto, but some of them are female and some are male. If you have a female, the nozzle is a male and this is a female, then you're going to have to use one of these male adapters to go up into your faucet. And if it's a different size than what this is, it's also got female adapters here that you can use. Okay, and it comes with, I got this one because it had a glass encasement and you can see all through it, which I like to see what's going through there. But this adapter slides onto here like so, and then it goes on your sink. You can install this first and then slide this on, or slide this on first. Now inside here, I already put mine on because I was so excited to see how it worked. But there's like an egg filter in here. It's a ceramic filter. It comes in a plastic package to keep it clean and fresh. And it's in this box here. So you take the filter out and take the packaging off, and then you push the filter down inside there and then screw the top on. The ceramic filter is what, I guess that's what filtrates your water. And there's other things inside this egg. I call it an egg. It looks just like an egg. Excuse me. The smoky air is getting to me. So you're going to put your egg in there, push it down, the egg filter, and then you're going to screw your glass top on. And then on the packet comes with all different washers. Now the washer that was in there was kind of thin, so this threading is very short. So when I put it on with that one, it leaked all over the place. So I took it off, and if you could see, there's a fatter, a thicker filter that I put in there, and that made it work great. So you turn this on, on your faucet. And this should be hard to move right here, the base. That's how you know you have a tight connection. Now what I did, I took a pair of pliers, okay, and just tightened it up a little bit more so it don't leak. Just a half a turn, quarter turn. And then you take your filter mechanism here. Make sure you got it the right way. It only goes on one way. Okay, so there, it's on. And you can run the water through the regular part without the filtration, or you can move the lever over, okay, and it comes out in the other part. Let me move you down a little bit here so you can see it. Okay, so that's the filter part, and this is the regular part. Now if you let this sit overnight, you're supposed to leave it run for 10 seconds so it doesn't have any filter stuff in it before you fill your glass or your pot. Okay? And if you don't really care about the filtration, turn it on to the regular faucet, because this filter will get dirty. So you don't want to use it when you don't have to use it. Now, when you're connecting this thing, if you don't have any threads, it also comes with this adapter here, which you push right onto the stem. Push it right onto the stem, okay, and then you tighten it up so it don't leak, and then your mechanism goes right on this part here. Okay, I hope I'm explaining this well enough for all of you. If not, leave it in the comments and I'll get back to you. But anyway, a lot of people, I know I had this opinion that, oh, this is city water, so city water's fine, I don't need a filter. Okay, so this is the end I took off. Okay, if you could see what's in there, I saved it for you. This faucet has been here for 30 days, okay? And that's what we got. Can you see that? And this is city water. So these are the larger parts that this faucet end caught. Okay, so if you don't have one of these on, all this stuff's coming out in your water. But there's also smaller parts, smaller to the eye, that you can't see. Okay, so that's what this thing does. It takes all that stuff out of your water. There is a list here. There's a whole instruction part here. There's a list here of what takes out of your water. I just have to find it. Okay, I can't find it. All right, here we go. It's algae, dust, worms, rust, solid matter, sediment, suspended solids, and colloids. So I don't know what a lot of that means, but if you're a chemist, I guess you would figure it out. But anyway, that's what it takes out of the water. And you see by the visual here what was in this water. So I'm sure you don't want to be drinking that. Even cooking with it. I wouldn't want to cook soup or anything with that, or boil my spaghetti. So if you're cooking, if you're drinking the water, this thing comes in handy. You see, it doesn't take that much to put on to install. It's pretty easy. And then you can, drink from this, or use it for cooking, or use it to make Kool-Aid if you want. It doesn't really matter. Powdered Gatorade. So that's the ruling water filter. Thanks for coming, guys. If you have any questions on this filter, like I said, I like this one because it has a glass top. I can see what's going on in there, see how it operates. It's pretty cool. It's pretty easy to install. Oh boy, need some fresh air here in the West. It's getting pretty bad, so they tell you to wear N95. We're not too bad here, but some of those places look terrible. So again, ruling filter, if you guys got any questions, leave them in the comments. If you got city water, you got well water especially. We did a couple houses with well water, and there's a lot coming out of there if you don't have a main filter. But this thing here, well, at least for your drinking water and your cooking, you have some water here on this faucet. Yeah. Leave them in the comments, all your questions. Like, share, and subscribe. So glad you came to my channel. Have a great one. I'm out.